In recent years, it seems that everyone has been longing for times gone by. Sure, there will always be an emphasis on modern design trends, but retro and vintage styles will forever hold a place in our hearts. In this countdown, we're going to be listing our Envato Elements Top 10 Retro Design Templates for Photoshop for 2020 to help designers and creators everywhere evoke feelings of nostalgia in the hearts of their audiences. All items featured today are available with a subscription to Envato Elements. Find the link in the description below. Number 10. Vintage Labels Badges Logo Templates by Centavio. We're kicking it old school with the number 10 retro design template on this countdown. Perfect for labels, stickers, logo design, posters, and much more. This template includes shields, ribbons, frames, and a range of symbols to help you create your very own editable and resizable vintage design. Number 9. Retro Food Menu by Tokusatsu. Who remembers stopping in at the diner for a delicious meal on the way home from a night out? This menu template holds all the elements of those moments when a milkshake, burger, and fries hit just the right spot. With fonts, color themes, and general layouts taken straight out of the 80s, you can create a menu that's retro in all the right places. Number 8. Retro Party by Ayari. If you're looking to create a flyer that's hip, cool, and ready to get down, you've come to the right place. This retro design template is fully editable with well-organized layers and is completely print-ready. Promote your next event in true 80s style with bright, neon retro flair. Number 7. Vintage Comic Creator by J.R. Child. Embrace your inner nerd with the number 7 addition to our list of Envato Elements Top 10 Retro Design Templates for Photoshop for 2020. This template is perfectly suited to designing vintage fair posters, prints for comic books or pop culture conventions, themed event flyers, and much more. Simply add text and images into one of the overlay PSDs, then apply your own style with just one click. Number 6. Neon Sign Photoshop Effect by Pixel Buddha Graphic. Perfectly capture the bustling, underground, inner city feels of the 80s and 90s. With this neon sign effect, the partygoers, disco dancers, and jazz crooners will recognize from exciting nights out in the town. Pink, green, and cyan color palettes are all pre-installed, but you're free to customize colors to suit your target audience. Are you digging the nostalgic feels in our Envato Elements Top 10 Retro Design Templates for Photoshop for 2020 countdown so far? If you have, please like and subscribe to our Envato channel to see more videos that will get your creative juices flowing. Now, let's see what else our list has in store. Number 5. Retro Film Mockup by Collective Offset. Snap the perfect Polaroid design for digital promotions with this retro mockup. Create stunning ads for your products, promo posts for events, or simply showcase your photographs in a retro-era style. This design is also suitable for large print projects like posters and banners. Number 4. Instagram Stories Retro by UI Creative Net. Combine new technology with old school design with the 15 easily customizable Instagram story templates in this pack. With vector-based shapes, smart objects for image placement, and editable text and color, this pack is a dream for content managers everywhere. Number 3. Vintage Tones by Alan the DP. Inspired by vintage film, this template pack will provide an elegant feel to all types of media, evoking nostalgic feelings in your audience. The tones are easy to use and will provide a stunning look instantly, but you're able to make adjustments like increasing or decreasing density and adjusting contrast for a more customized result. Number 2. Polaroid Photo Frame by Alex D&Ds. Add a touch of retro charm to your content by framing it in this blank, white, super realistic Polaroid design. Choose from a plaid, orange, blue, or red background vector design to complement both the frame and your image. Number 1. Halftone Textures by Ghostly Pixels. Give your portfolio a boost by incorporating the halftone textures in this pack into your designs. This template pack comes with 10 high-quality vector EPS and PNG files, derived from high-resolution photos. Add a touch of halftone to create an authentic vintage air throughout your projects. How do you plan on using these Envato Elements Top 10 Retro Design Templates for Photoshop for 2020? Floor it to the comments section and let us know. If you found this video interesting, please like, share, and subscribe to our Envato channel. This allows us to continue providing content for amazing creatives like you. Take a look at the next video before you split. It's been chosen just for you. Now get out there and spread the nostalgic love.